Hey, it's Michael Saul, and today is Sunday, June 26th at 11:47 p.m. This is Forex Trading Analysis for Monday, June 27th, 2011. Let's take a look at the euro. Looks like we're going to get a retest of this hammer low, and below that we have the lower Keltner channel, which also comes into play as potential support. But right now, I know a lot of people are super bullish on the dollar, but to me it looks like we could just be forming a range here. Now, if we break down, well, that's another story. But right now, watching the hammer low, watching this lower Keltner, and probably this range low down here is also something to keep your eye on. The Aussie dollar, okay, we were watching the Aussie dollar for a retest of these lows. Got below that, or it's getting below that here in Monday's session. Watch the lower Keltner for support there. Here is the dollar yen. Not much going on there. The dollar Swiss. The dollar CAD. Now, you can see, tried to break out here above this inverted hammer, but as of right now, it's trading back below that high. So be careful there on the CAD. Here is the euro versus the pound, and if we squish this up a little bit, we can see a coil forming here. So this is a cross that I'm going to have my eyes on for the next few days at least. I want to see if this little pattern here leads to a break, or if we're going to go down and retest this line and then maybe break, or if not, just continue to form this pattern. But this is setting up to be a nice looking breakout pattern. Here is the euro Swiss, still moving lower. Watch this lower Keltner channel for potential support. Here's the euro Aussie. Don't see anything there. Here's the euro New Zealand. No. Here's the cable. Okay, and you can see that's another name for the pound. And you can see here, kind of readjust the fibs, but if I grab the retracement tool and do this, right, you can see we're right at support here. All right, and then what we also want to do is we also want to take a measurement. So we want to take this swing down and measure it up to here. And you could see that the 100% projection comes in right below. So we could be at a short-term low here for the pound, right around here, right in this zone. So keep that in mind and see if we get confirmation, of course, right? Because this doesn't matter. This zone doesn't matter, right? What matters is if it holds and confirms as support. Here's the pound versus the New Zealand dollar. Whoa, pound Kiwi. All right, watch the moving average as potential resistance. Here is the euro yen, nothing. Here is the Swiss yen. Well, it looks like it wants to try to break out above this level. Got there Friday, but no follow through so far. I'd be watching this one for a kind of push up here, a little jack in the box like pattern. See if it can get to that upper Keltner. Here's the Aussie yen. Nope. Here's the pound yen. Nope. Here's the pound Swiss. Okay, lower Keltner here. So do we get a bounce? We did last time, but after a few more days down outside of it. The Aussie Swiss, no. The New Zealand Swiss, okay, these were canceled trades from an old, it was a couple weeks ago now, but what happened is I restored my trade station, so that's why they're probably coming up. Here is the Loonie Swiss. Watch the lower Keltner. Here's the New Zealand Swiss, okay. I don't really see much setting up there, and here's the Aussie Swiss. Once again, I mean, it was looking nice for a little bit, but then it just got all crazy here. So I think the things to take out of this update are watch the pound for a short-term low down here, okay, in this little zone. Wait for confirmation. Use smaller time frames to confirm that. And then here is the euro here, and let's see if it's going to hold the bottom of this range and set up more of a consolidation than an actual new leg down. A lot of people are calling for dollar rallies. Everybody's leaning one way. That's when you got to really be careful. And here's the euro pound cross, also setting up for what could be a nice pattern. Talk to everybody again tomorrow. Have a great trading day on Monday.